Kok borok kok thai bai khlai textbook Roman script bo khlainani te kok borok bai question paper Roman script khlainani sanmungo tangsalo rajakor awlibo lugo kwthumlaimwng khlainani nai tongkha TSF motha charsala Agartala Press Club kokthum panda khlai abo haikeno saka TSF ni naikonglai John Deborma Circuit House bai khopsa Gandhi mangthong bwskango kwthumlaimwng khlainai TSF satai klai kok borok kok thai Roman script ni sanmungo phasalni phungni simi lama kasulaike TSF kokthum pandaw TSF ni naikonai John Deborma saka 1968 bisini simi kokboro kokthayo Roman script chalo khlaina bagui sanmung khlai phaimani potebo saklaikya phasalo budget अधिवेशनो Roman script chalo khlai manotoi kok samani nukjakha Montri Okrani phiaba kahamke kok sayake mungsabo anglakhnai.
We have been calling for a strike in demand of Roman script for printing textbook in Roman script as well as the question paper. And we have seen the reply of the Chief Minister in the Assembly. The Chief Minister has stated that he is looking for a solution. So we also believe in solution. So solution must come with dialogue. That's why we are also ready. We want to inform that we are ready. But it is also to inform you all that we are starting our movement on Monday at Agartala. It will be a very peaceful movement. We'll continue our movement in Agartala on Monday and it will be very peaceful. That's the reason we want to inform to the press media, to every people of Tripura who are watching, and as well as we'll ask if the Chief Minister is really looking for the solution, then we are also ready for a dialogue, for a solution. And we cannot compromise on our demand. It is not just only a demand. A demand is raised based on the needs of the people. So it is the needs of the indigenous people. It is our needs. So we must achieve our needs. We are requesting the government to
Asalo kok thumlai rokni singmungo TSF ni naikonglai John Deborma saklaikha tongkusang haboni bisingtino kwthumlaimwng khlai tongkha TSF haste hapang borokni sanmungno gosiwi nakhe abo hai anglakha mohnai.
We are not stopping any ambulance. I have not seen such thing that we have stopped because I was also there in Agartala. So many ambulances were passing. We are letting the ambulance pass. We are letting all the emergency cases. We are letting those who are having exams. We will let them appear the exams. We have no issues with that. We are not violating any. We are not creating any havoc. Since it is our needs for the people, we democratically carry on the protest. I think I have not seen any such things. Since I was there. We are letting so many ambulance passes by. We have never stopped them. We are very peaceful. Government are not peaceful. You please ask them. If just peace comes with justice, so you please ask this question to the government. It is the responsibility of the government. Peace come with justice. There is no justice means no peace. When we look at what is peace, peace is all about justice. Peace cannot be absence of justice. So you please ask the government also whether they want peace. If they want peace, why are they not solving the issues? I think they will understand the meaning of peaceful better than us.
Tangsalo haste Bidan Sabha budget अधिवेशननि सालनि साल आबहाय kwthumlaimwng wngmani bagui agulini lukurok bere kheno deramungo klainani nangkha. Bureau report Kokharang.